Welcome to Tech Leveler, where I'm going to show you how to change the default photo format from Heic to JPEG on your iPhone. Now this is a fairly simple process to do, but this will be extremely useful to you if you're opening your iPhone photos on other devices, as Heic are not always readable on other devices. So the first thing we want to do is open our iPhone settings, so we'll click into that here, and you want to swipe down until we get to the camera. And then we want to tap into the camera section. And right at the top here, we see Format. I want to tap into that here. Now on this page, there's two options to choose from: High Efficiency and Most Compatible. If you want your iPhone to save photos as JPEGs, then you want Most Compatible. But the downside of doing this is that JPEGs are larger in size and will start to fill up your iPhone quicker. And as you can see below, you will not be able to capture 4K at 60 FPS and 1080 at 240 FPS. And HDR video requires high efficiency. So that's how you change your default photo format from Heic to JPEG. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.